Henry Darrow was an American character actor of stage and film known for his role as Manolito Mano Montoya on the 1960s television series The High Chaparral. In film, Darrow played the corrupt and vengeful Trooper Hancock in The Hitcher. During the 1970s and 1980s, he was seen in numerous guest-starring television roles. Darrow replaced Efrem Zimbalist Jr. as Zorro's father Don Alejandro de la Vega in the 1990s television series Zorro. Darrow was born in New York City, the first son of Gloria and Enrique Pio Delgado, who worked in the restaurant and clothing businesses. Darrow's parents had moved from Puerto Rico to New York in the early 1930s. At the age of 8, he played a woodcutter in a school play, an experience which convinced him that his destiny was as an actor. In 1946, when Darrow was 13, his family returned to Puerto Rico, where he discovered his roots and grew to love the island he had not known. He graduated from Academia del Perpetuo Socorro High School in Miramar, Puerto Rico, as class president before enrolling in the University of Puerto Rico. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.